Good afternoon, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perny on behalf of Ms. Burnett. Ms. Burnett, please state your name for the record.
Shalisa Burnett.
Good afternoon.
Ms. Burnett does have a valid license. She doesn't have it
Hold
on.
Now,
on. You come up here, I got a valid license. I don't know.
yeah,
I got to check
the whole
myself.
permit to everything.
Hold on.
She did say she got it about 2 days ago.
Yeah, but I was so geeked to come to court. I thought I had my wallet, everything in my purse, but I don't. But I do have my license. They are legal.
Hold on. You came to court, you don't have your license? Did you drive?
I'm not a good liar, so yes, sir, I did. But I'm legal though.
No, you didn't. I didn't hear that.
Okay, you did.
Nobody heard that.
You didn't. Y'all didn't hear that.
Oh, that guy back there did. No, I'm kidding. All right.
Stop playing, because I know him. No, but I'm legal though, for real.
Yeah, no. Just, who'd you bring with you?
My daughter and my son-in-law.
Do they have licenses?
No.
Oh.
We can Uber this home and get them and come back.
No.
But I was not going to miss Kurt.
Go get your license. That's why you went through this whole thing.
I know, but see, they told me I was supposed to come at 9 and I came, and then they told me I had to come back at 12.
And neither time did you have your license with you?
Yeah, the first time I did.
Oh, okay.
And I thought everything was in. I was excited.
You were excited about what?
Showing you my L's, and I ain't even got them.
You were all excited to show your license and you forgot it. It's a shame.
It's the truth.
You believe her? No, and nobody knows.
I promise you. I already seen you, so I already know you can't be playing with you.
What does that mean?
Because I'm just not from here. So this is my first time. So I was really excited, damn. I can't even be
the license might drop. Yeah, they got a license.
No, I just have them on me.
Listen.
Can I call Uber? I can go home and get them, babe. I mean, sir, y'all.
It's okay.
I'm so sorry.
I take no offense. I've been called a whole lot of things.
I promise you.
Not a bad thing in my book. Listen, I have your driving record. So I already know you have a valid license. So why did I say that? Because you wouldn't stop talking. You just kept talking.
Well, I got 9 children,
so you just kept talking, and I didn't have time to get it in.
I'm really excited though.
Me too. She got a license. So you live over in Ipsy?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
I gotta stay out of there because she driving. Ain't no telling what's gonna happen. All right.
Well, they say I drive like Miss Daisy, so I ain't even worried about it.
Okay. What are we doing?
No, Your Honor.
I know, we all forgot.
We are here for a purpose, I guess. She does have a valid license, so she would like to accept the prosecutor's offer to admit responsibility of double parking today.
Your Honor, I move that count 2 double parking. If you accept the admission, move to dismiss the misdemeanor.
Burnett, she gonna blow this. You know, she gonna mess us up. Just concentrate, focus. All right. So we can try to get through this. Do you admit responsibility that on November 4th, 2024, at the location of Ellsworth Road in Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that you double parked a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Court will accept that admission to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Fines and costs of $180. When can you get that paid?
Next Friday.
Next Friday, you can
Yes,
get it
sir.
done by the 28th.
Yes, sir.
I don't know. All right, then we'll give you to February 28th, 2025. All right, pay it by then. You take care, and when you're out there driving now legally, drive safely, please.
Okay, thank you.
Take an Uber. She loaded them all up in